Hey everyone, it's Kristin here with another movement break. Today is Wednesday, or actually I don't know what day it is. Does anyone know what day it is? But if you have a roll of masking tape or some ribbon or yarn or anything that can make a straight line on the floor, then you can join me in this movement break. All right, so in my living room, I have recreated what looks like a lane line, okay? So we put a piece of tape and we made a T at the end, and it goes all the way to the other side where there's another T. So this is going to help our kids learn the concept of a lap, and we want to explain them that a lap is down and back. So make sure that you're pointing out the starting position where you have to touch at the end and where you have to return. Then what we're going to do together is we're going to do a 200 IM. You can do a 300, 400. You just choose the number. The number represents the number of laps that the child is going to do. And then the IM is an individual medley. So an individual medley means they have to do butterfly, backstroke, breaststroke, freestyle. And they have to remember that exact order. So the more that you can say it with your kids, the more that they're going to hear it and remember it. So remember, let's say it again out loud together. Butterfly, backstroke, breaststroke, freestyle. All right? And then with your kids, do some laps. Follow along. Good job, everyone. I walked mine, but maybe you can run yours. Running or lunging or walking, anything can help our kids learn the concept of a lap. Back and forth, touch and go, turning, changing directions. All of those things can help keep our swim skills up even when we're not in the pool. I hope that helps. I hope you have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you soon.